Hi everyone, welcome back to my challenge. Today I will be setting a TBR for Reading Rush challenge that starts tomorrow. I know I am late. I have been thinking a lot about this challenge. I should take part in this challenge or not, and I decided to go for it because there are so many books on my shelf that I still haven't read, and this is a great opportunity to start reading them. There are some criteria for choosing the book. I have them on my phone, and I have already selected some books for the Reading Rush challenge, and some I will be choosing right now in front of you guys. So let's get started. Yeah, the first challenge is read a book with a cover that matches your birthstone. So my birthstone is Blue Sapphire, and the book that I chose for this challenge is Dead and Alive by Hammond Innes. I'm sorry if I pronounced the name wrong. So this book is about an ex-naval officer, David Cunningham, who receives a letter saying, "Find out what has happened to Monique, please." So this letter really takes him back to a past that I think he already buried. So only that one sentence really gives me so many questions that I think I will find the answers to after reading this book. So I am excited to read this book, but let's see how it turns out. Okay, I will be stacking the books right here. And the next criteria is read a book that starts with the. Okay, so for this I chose The Great Gatsby. This is a very famous book among classic lovers or many readers. And all I know about this book is that there is a guy called Jay Gatsby who is very rich and who is in search of something that was very dear to him. And I think I will like this book. I don't really know. I'm not really a great classic reader. I always DNF classics. So this will be a new genre for me. So let's see how this goes. And the next one is read a book that inspired a movie that. So for this challenge I chose the book Marley and Me. I have loved the movie so much. I have watched it plenty of times and I really love it every time I watch it. And I know that I will love this book because I really love dogs. And this story is very heartwarming and it's a lovely read. Okay, so I know I will enjoy this read. Yeah. The next one is to pick a book that I first touch. So for this I'll have to close my eyes and yeah, let's go. Oh my god, this is such a fat book. Okay, let's see which one did I touch. The Girl Who Kicked the Hornet's Nest by Stieg Larsson. I have already read the first two parts and I really loved them. But this is such a fat copy, you guys. I don't know, guys, if I will finish this book or not because it's so fat. Oh my god, it has 746 pages. So I think I will keep this for my last read during the challenge. I have been meaning to read this book this month, but I never got around it. So if I finish it, then great. Otherwise, I will add this to my TBR for the next month. Okay. Let's see. The book completely outside of your house. So as you all know that we have gone through a pandemic and it's impossible to get outside of our house and read. So there are some changes in this one. So we can do anything creative with this idea, like listening to an audiobook when we take a walk outside, or and we can read by our window, or I don't know, maybe I will read by my window or come up with something. I'll let you guys know about that. The next one is read a book in a genre that you have always wanted to read more of. So for me it has to be thriller because I do read thrillers, but I haven't read many thrillers yet. So for this I picked up The Lovers by John Connolly. Now, this book is about Charlie Parker, who is an investigator. His dad he killed himself many years ago when he was a teenager, I guess. Yes. So he seems to have forgotten all about it, but then something happens and he has to go back to all those memories that he buried already, and he starts an investigation again to find out what really happened to his father. And this is what the book is all about. There is this sentence that says, and the lovers have been hunting Charlie since before he was born. So this obviously has to do more with than his father's death. So let's see what this book brings to me. Okay, and the last criteria is read a book that takes place on a different continent than yours. So for this I will be cheating a little. I won't choose a book for this one because there are so many books already here and I don't think I will be able to finish all of them. I'm from India and all these books takes place on a different continent than mine. So yeah, these are all the books that are from different continent and that matches the challenge. So this is it. This is the Reading Rush TBR that I will be reading for the challenge. And yes, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for your support that you have shown to me and the love you showered. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself during these situations we are facing. I'll see you soon.